She's drinking pina coladas and watching Netflix in bed. She's having dinner on the boardwalk in a sports bra to mess with my head. And she's a classy woman. She's got the weight of the world and the bleach blonde hair. She likes the sound of the streets in New York City, but she lives in Bel Air. And now she's feeling kinda wonderful. You're living much comfortable when no one tells you that you're beautiful. California girl. And you came in heavy like a hurricane. Left your lipstick stain on the back of my brain. Singing girl, California girl. Cruising down Sunset, waiting for the sun to rise. She says that everything gets better, it don't matter, it's just black and white. Okay. And she's a classy woman. She's got a face for the crowd and a bleach blonde hair. She likes the sound of the streets in New York City, but she lives in Bel Air. And now she's feeling kinda wonderful. You're living but you're comfortable when no one tells you that you're beautiful. California girl. And you came in heavy like a hurricane. Left your lipstick stain on the back of my brain. Singing girl, California girl. Stop waiting for love, waiting for me, waiting for love. She's got places to be. That girl fell in love with that West Coast world, and now she's feeling kinda wonderful. You're living but you're comfortable when no one tells you that you're beautiful. California girl. And you came in heavy like a hurricane. Left your lipstick stain on the back of my brain. Singing girl, California girl. California girl. Left your lipstick stain. California girl.
It's late in the evening. She's wondering what clothes to wear. She puts on her makeup and brushes her long brown hair. And then she asks me, do I look alright? And I say yes, you look wonderful tonight. We go to a party and everyone turns to see this beautiful lady that's walking around with me. And then she asks,
Nice job, Helen. Thank you very much. Bring her to her throne. Well, actually, ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Helen is celebrating 65 today. But don't you know, we are having a double celebration. Alam niyo ba kung bakit? Because 2 days from now, a couple of days from now, sila pong dalawa ay magse-celebrate ng kanilang 34th anniversary! Tama po ba yun? 34 years. Man. Double celebration. Ibang celebration na lang po yun. Double celebration. Ladies and gentlemen, tulad nga sinabi ko po kanina, ano po sa isa na mag-celebrate ng ating birthday kung wala yung mga natin sa buhay? So, what we're gonna do is I'll be calling on the members of the family, yung mga siblings, together with their family. Okay? Unahin po natin, the family of Ate Imelda, Ate Aimee.
I would like to wish Auntie Helen a blessed 65th birthday, and thanks for having us. Wish you all the best. Wish you all good health, and yeah.
Best ruwan ako. Si Helen, kapatid mo, masyadong matulungin ito. Pag may problema kami, tinatawagan ko, action agad yan. Lalo na ito kung saan. Kaya, Helen, happy birthday. Mabuti na lang natuloy. Dumating ka. Kasi akala ko, di matutuloy. Kaya, mabuti na lang natuloy. Yung celebration mo ito. Sabi ko nga, sabi ni Helen, sabi ni kapatid ko na yung ate ko na Ate Imelda, sabi niya, kailangan makain tayo lahat na magkapamilya, magkakamag-anak. Kasi baka mamaya, ito na yung huli pakikita natin, matatanda na tayo. Layout 7 na kami. Layout, kasi kami mga 7 class na. Kaya, maraming salamat at least nakikita-kita tayo dito, nakikisigahan, nakikiplugan, hanggang sa magagandang memories na maalala natin sa sana mayroon pang kasunod na celebration na malaman more birthday.
Doc, actually sa lahat sinabi ni Papa, si Melzar lagi binibida yung pagmamahal at saka pag-aaruga sa buong Santos Clan. Kung may konting hindi pagkakaintindihan, may referee agad sa Helen yan. Kasi pag hindi ka tumigil, wala kang ayuda. Kaya makikinig kayo lagi kay Helen. Siya yung peacemaker. Siya yung laging takbuhan pagka kailangan ng payo. And sometimes, nag-invite ka sa US but there's a factor of exponential ito marami. But yeah, thank you for everything. Our family is very grateful. We are very proud to have a doktora. Maganda na. Mapagmahal pa kay Early, kay Kevin and kay Ernal. Kay Ernal is wala. But thank you. Wala akong masabi. Truly the best sister na makikikuha ni Papa. Of course, pati sa Ate Ayi. And more blessings and more good health, of course. Yun po, ito pinagdadasal po namin lagi. Maraming salamat.
May nakalimutan ka, bukod sa magandang mapagmahal, galante.
Even na po kasi lahat po alam yan, kahit po okay, maraming salamat po.
Thank you very much. Sir Arnold!
Papasalamat po ako sa Lord at may karoon ako ng kapatid na doktor sa Amerika. Kung hindi sa kanya, hindi ako nakarating na Amerika. Nagkarating ako sa Amerika, wala akong gasto sa akin niya lahat. Wala akong masarap. Nagkakaroon ko sa unang tuwing, nagkakapayag ko na siya sa Amerika. Lagi po salamat kay Dr. Rangel Santos sa tunay dahil kung ano mo problema mo, sabihin mo na sa kanya, dinasagot kanya sa akin. Tulong niya sa akin.
Basta makapunta sa Amerika, yun lang yun.
Since ako ay manugang, I am so grateful and thankful at the same time na maging pamakin nyo. Yeah, sinabi naman nila na as part of your family, we are all grateful to have you po. And likewise po. Ayun po. Thank you.
Sir Arnold, madali na pumunta ng Amerika. May 1 million travel tours naman eh.
Happy 65th birthday ko. Sana po, mabot tayo po mag-Amerika. Hindi ba, sana po, karoon ko kayo one more happening sa Delta School. Sa mga tulong ko sa amin. And thank you sa salamat po.
Isang natin si Ate Raquel. Ate Raquel and family.
Salamat po sa pagmamahal at tulong ng Happy birthday po.
Pag-masayasayan niyo po, medyo mahihayin po yung mama ko. Hindi pa po kasi nakakarating ng Amerika. Kasi, sorry po, stand-up comedy kasi. So, happy birthday po, Auntie. Thank you sa lahat ng tulong sa amin ng ilang lahat yung gusto namin sabihin. So, yun lang po talaga ang gusto ko sabihin. Sana makakita niyo po si Mami ng Amerika.
Kung sa bagay nakarating ako sa Amerika, ayun, ang sailing Amerika, before nakita kami at Ellen at saka ni Ate Iming, kahit pa paano, sabi nga nila, tinanong ako bakit nandito ko sa Amerika, sabi ko naligaw ako eh. Ang huli ko happy birthday. Sana bigyan tayo ng malakas na katawan. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Ng Amerika. Baka bumili din ang pera niya rin dito. Ano si Mal? Ano Telma? Ay susunod.
Happy birthday, ate. Nasabi na lahat. Bilang kapatid, bilang isang bunso, na-observe ko lahat ng mga panganay ko. Kaya bilang bunso, nakita ko kung paano nag-strive si Ate Helen mula elementary, high school, college. Nagdidictate niya sa harap ng salamin, umiiyak, nagdidictate, ano siya, declamator. Tapos, nawala si tatay sa yung pinuntahan ko sa master bedroom, umiiyak. Silver, ginawa ko naman lahat. Bakit ganito? Hindi ko nakalimutan. Iyakan kami magkapatid. Ayun. So, sa namin magkakapatid, siya may pinakamalaking puso, pero wala siyang sakit sa puso. Dahil sa pagmamahal niya sa amin. Talaga. Bilib ko na ako, bilib. Naramdaman namin yun. Naramdaman. Hanggang doon. Next naman. Happy birthday.
Ayun, sa mahal na Auntie Helen, happy 65th birthday. And sobrang happy po kami na nandito po kayo nagse-celebrate po sa amin ngayon. And aware po kami sa naging struggles niyo po the past months. And very grateful po kami na nandito po kayo at nandito po kami ngayon present sa birthday ninyo to show we love you and to celebrate with you. Happy birthday po.
Happy birthday. Thank you.
Okay, so tatlo kaming Maria magkakapatid, joke lang. So, well, yeah, probably kanina in-introduce kami as dalawang magkapatid. Naging nakikita nyo tatlo yung magkapatid. Kasi hindi alam ng lahat, nagkaanak pa ng pangatlo yung mami ko. Hindi po. So, ano po, anak ko po si Bryce. And yeah, of course, in this special occasion, we're really happy to be here. We really make time. Yeah. And it's fortunate and unfortunate that my mom is not here. So, minsan dumalaw sa Malaysia si Auntie na pag-usapan namin yun. And I'm sure naging, I mean, as she looked at us now, I'm sure magiging masaya si Mama lalo na sa naging success ni Auntie Helen. I was so young back then. But I know how she fought and supported her kay Lolo, tsaka kay Lola. Kasi parang ang pagkakaalala ko noon, parang gustong-gusto ni Auntie Helen mag-doktor. And yet, the family was contemplating having second thoughts because of financial obligations of being a doctor. And then my mom really fought for it from how I remember it and really told yung lolo at lola namin na hindi, ituloy natin yan ang gusto niya. And narinig ko kay mama, isa din kung bakit sinuportahan ni mama si Auntie Helen is because sabi daw ni Auntie Helen, kung hindi niya ako pagdodoktorin, hindi ako mag-aaral. So I may be quite a silent observer of Auntie Helen's life. I could say I was on the side skirt because panganay ako, but I'm not really the sibling. I'm just representing my mom here at the moment. Pero nakita ko yung perseverance and struggle ni Auntie Helen. Yung naging doctor siya sa Philippines, and it wasn't enough. She went to the States, to the United States, and then she even pursued it again. And then kailangan talaga doktor, hindi pwedeng hindi doktor, and then she made it there. So, and more than that, sa lahat ng naging achievements niya, ang nakakahanga sa kanya is yung puso niya. Parang lahat na lang ng makikitang conflict, makikitang need help, nandun siya. So, and then, pagdating sa bata, the way I remember when I was young, kasi sumasama ako, nagre-residence siya sa DMU. Ewan ko kung anong tawag, I'm not a doctor, but it seems that residency, you need to stay in the hospital for some time, and then you need to do that. And I was there. Nakikita ko paano yung love niya sa mga pasyente niya, kung paano siya nagki-care sa mga bata, until, ayun na nga, nadala niya hanggang sa US, nadala niya sa family niya, and despite of all the things that happened, despite of all the achievement, ang pinaka nakakahanga sa akin ngayon is how humble she is, na wala akong makita na parang yung ere, or yung parang lahat pinakikisamahan, lahat naiintindihan. At sometimes, sinasabi ko, hindi ko kaya yun, parang hindi ko kaya umintindi ng gano'n. And she's that patient, and I know how strong her faith is, and that's one thing that I also admire about Auntie. And I'm really, 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 really grateful for having you, and I really wish my mom was here to see you. I love you. Hindi pa tapos.
Thank you very much.
Well, first off, happy birthday, Mom. You are 65 years young. I just want to say that, I'm so grateful to be here with you. So grateful to have you here with us. Despite all the challenges that we face, despite all the complications in our life, I'm so grateful to still be together with you in good health and in good faith and in a healthy family. I'm so grateful to have you as a mother, and every time we come back home, I'm reminded of how impressive and how amazing you are, because everybody always considers that you're the glue of the family here, and you're just the shining example of how to love and how to care for your family. And I aspire to one day love my family as you do. And again, I'm so grateful for all the sacrifices, all the challenges that you faced, everything that you've done for Ernell and I, for us to be here today, to raise us as good men. And again, I couldn't have asked for a better mother. Again, I'm grateful that, again, despite all the challenges, you're still here, you're healthy, and I wish you many more years of good health and happiness. And I love you so, so much.
Yes, I don't have no choice. But first of all, I want to greet my wife happy birthday, 65th birthday. And despite the word that you uttered the other day, that I became your ex-husband, I still love you, from the bottom of my heart, from here to the moon and back. So, in a way, I really appreciate all the patience that she had for me. Although, we go through ups and downs like any other couples, but we went through a lot of, challenges that we went through them, Well, we help each other to fight all those challenges, and here we are. We're still happy together, and I can't see anything else. But she's a good person, very generous, helpful, and friendly. What you name it, she got it all. So I love you, sweetheart. Happy birthday again. Here's my kiss for your birthday.
Hello, everyone. Good evening. I'm sorry I'm late. Anyway, I made it. To my BFF Helen. Helen, I'm blessed to have a friend like Helen. And of course, Kuya Ernie. I was the secondary sponsor during their wedding. And I always cherish our friendship. And I love you. Happy birthday and happy retirement and happy anniversary, of course.
In behalf of my best friend, thank you for attending her 65th birthday. I'm very happy today because I see you after all these years again, after 2 years. I see you again. I hope I can visit US in the future with my kids and maybe my daughter. I feel lucky that you've been a part of my life, my best friend ever. I'm like the adopted daughter of the family and I'm treated as a family. Wala na pong iba sa amin. Helen, basically it's like my own sister. Talaga bang when we see each other, parang hindi kami nagkita ng talagang we talk a lot and she knows how I feel, she knows how I feel. I wish ngayon, siyempre good health. That's something money can't buy. Ang gusto ko, you always be happy, healthy. Gawin mo lahat yung gusto mo. Lahat naman tayo ganon at nakakaedad na tayo, hindi na tayo bumabata. Kulang na lang sa ating dalawa, apo. Sana, I wish you everything. I love you and we love you. Hope to visit you there. Yeah, okay. Happy birthday. Sana magustuhan mo yung bigay namin and you have everything na kasi. It is something very personalized. Okay, and happy birthday too from Jarmin. Yeah. Okay, thank you. Love you.
Maraming salamat dahil palagi na lang pag may tinatanong ako about medical issues, kayo ang dinimessage ko. Nagtatanong ako sa inyo kung mga pagka meron kami mga hindi naintindihan or kung ano man yung mga problema namin, kinukonsulta ko sa inyo. Kaya maraming salamat. Yes. Yan ang kagandahan ng mga social media. Thank you. At sana maging malusog kayo palagi. Kahit God bless you.
Hello, Ernie. Ernie. Siyempre, hindi ko makakalimutan. Mula nung magkakilala kayo ni Ernie hanggang sa pupunta tayo sa beach, di ba? Remember that? Kasama sina Dr. June, Madam Lydia, George,
Dr. Marily and Dr. Toto, right? Kaya, salamat Helen at naalala mo akong maimbitahan ngayon. Kita ko sina Lady at saka si Lisette, ang lalaki na nila. Hindi ko sila nakilala. Oo. Happy birthday. I'm glad you celebrated your birthday here. Masaya. Yeah. It's once in a lifetime. So I wish you good health. And don't worry, God will take care of you always. So yun lang. Sana, makapasyal ako sa Amerika, magkita tayo. Next time. I'll tell you. Happy birthday again.
Hello, mi amiga. Congratulations on turning 65. Just be proud, be happy, be yourself, and be thankful to Him for reaching this incredible milestone. Happiest birthday. Cheers to long life and less happiness and love.
Happy birthday, Ensan. May you have many more birthdays to come. God bless you. And balbalaga salamat, Ensan. Tagyo kami nalilingon ng birth. Pag-invite nyo. Salamat. Ipangasin nyo sa katawang kumonyo, magsilsulaman yung lanang, hindi at magkulang Amerika. I love you. Nararami ka namin, yak kapinsan. Salamat, ha? Thank you.
So, 65 si Doktora, 60 ako. Nagkasama po kami sa BMU, sa ospital. Bata pa lang ako noon. Bata pa rin, syempre, si Doktora. So, siya po ang nag-guide sa akin sa BMU, BMMC. Nakasama ko po sila doon ng 1 year sa ospital. And sila po ang aking nag-guide sa akin noon kasi bago pa lang akong doktor. Sinasama po nila ako sa mga conventions. Syempre, pagkasama ko sila, libre sa sa accommodation. So after that, nung nagpunta na sila sa Amerika, before you went to America, si Harry, yung husband ko, yung panganay. So even if nasa Amerika sila, we keep in touch through Facebook. So nakikita ko yung mga post nila, and then every time they come sa Philippines, yes, opo, sa BMU. So, we are happy and blessed to be parang member of their family, tapos sila po sa amin. And sa kanilang 65th birthday, actually, tumawag po sila through messenger, pero hindi ko nasagot through text. So, happy po kami dahil invited kami on their special occasion. Happy birthday po. And on their 34th anniversary. So blessed ang family nila. Happy birthday again, and happy anniversary.
Any other guy that made you say goodbye must have been a fool, but
very much for your presence. Okay. Your presence is well appreciated as the most important priceless gift for me.
Watching you